Hello everyone, welcome to Cyberducky. Today we will see how to use Tmux in this video. For the basics of Tmux, like how to open the Tmux on Kali, then how to split windows, then how to resize, how to page up, page down, then how to close, and very much foundational ones first. Okay, to open Tmux you need to use first Tmux. You need to type Tmux. So you see now a new window is open within the existing terminal, and I want to do, let's say, 2 things or 3 things I want to do. So in this window I want to run one function, so I split into 2 to split to vertical, right? To vertical you control B, control shift and percentage mark, then you have 2 windows now. One is on this side, one is on this side, so it's like a window 1. This one is window 1, this one window 2. So if you see how I navigate between these windows is Control B, then you press arrow key left or right, so that based on which side you want to go. Now on window 1, so I want to move to window 2, Control B, then arrow mark on my left, it goes to this side. Now I want to divide this window 2 in window 2. So one is already horizontal, but I want like a vertical. Sorry, I want this time horizontal, right? So Control B, shift, double quote. So when I put the double quote, it's making to within the second window, it creates the third window 3 as a horizontal. Okay, now I want to run here Nmap. While running Nmap, I want to run mask scan on the upper one, so for that I press Control B and up arrow, so I went to window 2. So now here I run mask scan. So while it's running mask scan, I just want to move to my other window 1, so Control B and the left key. Here I try a man page, so I read man while doing Nmap. I think I can do even man Nmap here also, so that I want to see some of the functions which I was not sure, or maybe I have to know more about. I just read. So this is fine. So let's go to window 2 with Control B, my left, then I cancel the running scan. So I just want to scroll up. So if you see here, the scrolling function is not available. If you go to any other normal new terminal, you see here, let's say, then I type. So if I want to go scroll up, and then if I want to see the history, I can scroll up, I can see. But in this option, if I go to this, I don't have that function, I cannot scroll. To scroll up, what you have to do is you just press Control B, then page up. So you can page up using, you can go by, if you use arrow key, you can go up line by line. So if you see here, when I go line by line, it goes by line by line. It has 77 lines, and I'm going 23. Or if I want to go page up, I can use page up, page down. So if one comes all the way down, I just arrow, then I just press few time escape, it stopped. Now I cannot, if I use arrow up arrow, it's only give me the history, it doesn't give the result. So that's how you use to scroll up, scroll down. And let's say, if you see here I have more space here. I'm not actively using, so I just want more space to this window. So what I have to do is Control B, then I Control B, and you keep press your Control B and keep press your left arrow. It will make room. So if you think it's too much, then you want to make it minimize, you can use that. But if you want to, let's say like I'm on window, now I'm in, cancel this, so I'm in window 3, so I want more room in window 3 on top. Like I want to I want to have more space on the top. So Control B, and I can adjust the window base according to that. So these are the very much a small what you call basic level of Tmux. And in the next video I will show you work I will publish of this room actions. Maybe you guys can do it if you want to know it now, or otherwise I will again publish a new video on how to more advanced things like do in the Tmux. So if you see here, it already shows that Control B and press Shift and then percentage this mark, then it will split the window like how we split into 1 and 2. Sorry. And then Control plus B, then you need to press Shift, then double quote. It will be splitting horizontal, which means like what we did this one. So within window 2, then creates a window 3. Then if you want to move panel, Control B, then you can just move with up arrow which side you are on. If you are in this scenario, if you are in number 3, and if you want to move to number 1, you press right arrow, so it will move. If you are number 1 in window, and if you want to move to number 3, it comes like this. If you want to go to number 2, Control B, up arrow. So just like a navigational thing using the up arrow. Then we saw the Control plus B, then you can move up, move down your panel resize, and you can use page up, page down to scroll. I think page up, page down, I don't see here. I don't know. Let me see. Yes, sensor ups and down. See this one, page up, down, sensor. It didn't mention here, but you can use page up, page down to scroll up, scroll down. Anyway, that's not a big deal. It's just for you to, when you learn, you will learn more cool things. Yeah, that's about for this video. And if you have any questions, please comment. I'll happy to reply immediately, as long as once I see the comment, I will reply. And next video I'll try to do this room in TryHackMe to have more depth understanding of Tmux, so when you try to learn ethical hacking or pen testing, it'll be more helpful. And one thing to say that this, if you have a bigger screen, it'll be more better, screen will be looks, you have more real estate in your windows. But it's my windows is my resolution is, so my monitors are smaller, so that's why you don't see much benefit at the moment. Yeah, that's all for now. Let's say I want to close my Windows. Sorry, Control B, X. No. Just easy way, just type exit. It will close. Exit is all gone. So now we have come back to old our terminal. If you see here, the mark is gone, the things are gone. Yeah, okay, that's about it. And I'll be working on something called school. By the way, I have created a school page for this cybersecurity related stuff to publish. So if you are watching my videos, please subscribe to my community in cybersecurity. So I will eventually I will publish some courses and more discussions about new topics, so we can interact and learn more stuff. So that's what I wanted to tell you guys, and subscribe to this video or this channel, and comments if you have any questions, and I look forward to you guys with a new video. Thank you.